Setting the WS on a new BC1200 Sigma Sport bicycle speedometer. If your wind sensor or pole mount or anemometer with this display is producing wind speeds that are way too high, chances are the WS is not set properly. That's the wheel size. The default is 2155. It needs to be 0711. I'll show you how to set the WS to 0711. First, what you do is remove it from its backing, and do that by twisting it. It just twists right off, just 1/8 of a turn, and remove the backing. The next thing you need to do is to use the mode button on the front, the bottom mode button here, to get to distance per day. Right now we're at clock, odometer, total time, distance per day. Once you're at distance per day, turn the unit around, and there's a gray button in the upper right hand side. Press that gray button until the front starts to flash. Then what you do is you use the set button and the mode button to make your selections and move around. In this case, it's asking for language. This is the top button where you make your selections. Down here is to move to the next selection. So you use the top button to select the language, in this case English. If you go too far, that's okay, just keep pushing until you come back around. And when you get to English, you're good. Use the front mode button to bring yourself to the next display, which is miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Now it's asking for kilometers. We'll press the top one to select M. Press the mode button to bring you to the next setting, and there's the default of 2155. That needs to be 0711. So select the top button to make the first digit a 0, the bottom button to highlight the second digit, press the top one to make that a 7, press the mode button to bring you to the next digit, make that a 1, and the bottom one, the mode button to bring you to the last digit, to make that a 1 as well. And like I said, if you go too far, that's okay, just keep pushing until you come back around. When you got it to 0711, I'll show this to you. If you go too far, that's okay. You can go back around and make all your selections again. Come back until you've got everything set just the way you like it. Turn it around and press the S button again, the set button in the back, for 1 second, and that will make you come back to the distance per day screen, and it's calibrated, good to go.